Tawhid emphasizes the oneness of God, a core concept. The universe's interconnectedness reflects this divine unity. Celestial bodies moving in harmony symbolize a single origin. All creation originates from and is sustained by one God. Tawhid rejects polytheism and idolatry, affirming God's sole authority. Islam uses a balance scale to illustrate the importance of good deeds and compassion. Acts of kindness, charity, and forgiveness are placed on one side of the scale. Negative actions are placed on the opposite side, creating a visual comparison. Righteous behavior outweighs wrongdoing, leading to spiritual growth and harmony. The open book symbolizes the pursuit of knowledge and wisdom. Light, emanating from the pages, represents intellectual enlightenment. Symbols of science, philosophy, and arts signify diverse fields of knowledge. Learning and critical thinking are encouraged in Islam. These pursuits lead to understanding God's creation and fulfilling potential.